Hi, I'm Mike Fine, and in this short video I'm going to show you how to export from Audacity as a WAV or MP3 file. So right now I have a file open that just has a single stereo track. In that case, I want to make sure that nothing is muted or soloed. If anything is muted, then it won't export, and you can notice that I can click mute and solo and it looks like everything will display and play, but it will not export properly. So I make sure nothing is muted or soloed. I go to the File menu and select Export Audio. A new window is going to pop up in a moment. Looks like my computer's running a little slow today. And I'll give it a name. Just call it, whatever you want. Number jumble export. And down here at the on the left side, I like to save everything to my desktop, but you can choose where you're going to save it. Down here at the bottom, you can see Format. Now, in the standard Audacity installation, WAV is going to be your option. So WAV Microsoft Sign 16-bit PCM works great. You can certainly just hit Save and go from there. If you've installed the lame MP3 encoder, you can select lame, MP3, and you may need to link it to the lame MP3 library, but as long as that library is in your Audacity applications folder, it should work great. So I'm just going to stick with WAV for now, and I'll hit Save. This is ID3 tag, so when you drag a file into iTunes, it comes up with this information. I'm just going to skip that for now and hit OK. All right, and that's it. If I went to my desktop, I would see there was an exported WAV file sitting there. Now here's another Audacity file where I have two tracks on top of each other. Let me make this a little skinnier. All right, so let's say I just wanted to export this bottom track. The easiest way to do that is just to select the material that you want to export, and you can go File, Export Selected Audio, and then the process again is the same. Give it a name, save it to your desktop, and in this case, instead of WAV, maybe I'll try MP3. Basically goes through the same steps. Comes up with some ID3 tags by default, but I'm going to skip that again. Now, if in this situation you wanted both to export together, let's say you had a drum track up here and a piano track down here, you would just not select anything and just say File, Export Audio, and that'll export everything you're hearing. And again, make sure nothing is muted and nothing is soloed.